Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, force stop camera. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera, click on camera. Here you will see force stop, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cam cache. Again, open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search camera. Click on camera. Scroll down. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera clear crash from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again, open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.